Welcome back everybody, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I like to post all sorts of homemade recipes weekly, so if you consider subscribing, be sure to click that bell notification to get all of my latest videos. Okay, today I'm going to be making a delicious, simple, and silky sweet potato pie recipe. I'm also going to be making a homemade buttery flaky crust. You definitely can use your favorite store-bought crust with this, but this crust is definitely buttery and flaky and goes perfect with this sweet potato pie. And here's how I do it. I'm going to start by thoroughly rinsing the exterior of my potatoes. If you have a vegetable brush, that also works. These were fairly clean, so I'm just going to rinse them very well. And now I'm also going to be poking holes. Once I've done all the potatoes, I've cleaned and poked holes, I'm going to place them on a lined baking sheet and I'm going to bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Now, depending on the size of sweet potato you're working with and the amount, that will definitely vary in cook time, so just watch for it and make sure that they're cooked through. Once my potatoes are done, I'm going to remove them from the oven and I'm going to allow them to cool for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. I just want them cool enough to handle without burning my hands. Now my potatoes are completely cooled, so I'm just going to grab them. You can slice them down the middle, just like this, and remove the skin. And because they're cooked through, they had time to cool, it's really easy to peel them. So I'm just going to continue peeling all my potatoes and place them in the bowl. So that came off fairly easy, right into the bowl. And actually, I might not even have to cut into it because they seem to be tearing open very easily. Now that my sweet potatoes are all peeled and cleaned, I have them here over in a bowl. I'm going to take a fine wire mesh strainer and I'm just going to basically push them through the strainer. This will help catch any bits that aren't smooth and some of those little hairy root-like pieces that come with sweet potatoes. So right into my wire mesh strainer and I'm just going to push it through. Okay, so I actually found it easier to press it with my hand. I know it looks gross. My hands are clean, but it does work. So as you can see, it caught a lot of those little stringy bits from the sweet potato, and you end up with a very smooth and creamy puree in your bowl. Okay, to get started with my filling, I am going to use 15 ounces of sweet potato puree. This is what I made earlier. And I didn't mention this earlier, but you could use a mashed can of yams. Just remove the syrup, that also works. So into my bowl with that. I'm also going to be adding 1.5 cups of light brown sugar. I'm going to be adding a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Here I have a 1/2 teaspoon of freshly zested lemon. This is lemon zest. If you don't have lemon zest, a little bit of lemon extract works. I'm also going to use 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm also going to use some freshly grated nutmeg. Something like 1/8 of a teaspoon works. Smells great. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of melted, well, semi-melted butter. I'm also going to add 2 large room temperature eggs. Two large eggs in the bowl. I'm also going to add 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup or 6 ounces of evaporated milk. Now I'm just going to give everything a really good mix and combine it well. Okay, so this is combined well. Now I'm going to add it to my pre-made pie shell that I made earlier. You could make homemade pie dough, or you could use store-bought 9-inch pie shell. Here is my very rustic and homemade pie shell that I made earlier. If you want the pie crust recipe for 2 pie crust, I will leave it in the description below. So now I'm just going to add my filling right into my pie shell. Okay, so now that my pie shell is filled, just going to give it a little tap. I'm going to be baking my pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so as you saw earlier, I took one pie to my neighbor down the street. It's my friend's dad. He loves sweet potato pie. And I want to show you, when I came back home, this is what was left of the second pie. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I do want to say the filling is definitely silky and smooth. I know a lot of people don't like sweet potato pie because they think it tastes a little dense or heavy, but running it through a fine wire mesh definitely lightens the texture of this pie. So I definitely hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.